Hello. I am very excited to come your way today because I come bearing great news. We have some really great surprise for you and you don't want to miss it. You really would want to know what it is we are bringing your way. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing because I've already told you the kind of great news and surprises we are bringing your way. And of course, if you're already a follower, you're already a subscriber, you know what to do. Kindly hit the notification button for me so that you don't miss any of the updates we bring your way. I shall be back. For the sake of those who just subscribed to this channel, and even our online family who has been out of touch for a while, let me give you a quick recap of what has been going on with the famous Sementia Learning and Development Farm. So the famous Sementia L&D Farm, as we call it, has been operating in the Blue region of Ghana, specifically on the land of Brekum Senase, for 5 years and running. But in the past few weeks, it's been a roller coaster kind of journey for Sementia Farm because the gods of the Brekum land are saying they don't like goats. To rear goats on the land is a taboo. And yes, they do eat goats, in case you were wondering. So that is a quick recap for you. It's been back and forth. Government authorities have stepped in. There have been deliberations here and there with Nananom. But it looks like the gods didn't hear our plea. And you might be wondering why I'm smiling whilst giving you such bad news. But it is what it is. Today, the surprise we have for you is that for those of you who thought Sementia Learning and Development Farm was going to be no more because it looked like we're not going to be in operation anytime soon, well, drum roll, we are going to be in business again because we have found a piece of land in Suhum, which is in the eastern region of Ghana, and it's actually just over an hour drive from the capital city, Accra. Guess it. So that's where I am today. And I'm going to show you the progress so far when we talk of bringing development to a community. Where I'm standing currently, few hours ago, was total bush, thick. You couldn't walk here safely. You know what I mean? But because of the projects we are bringing to this community, a road has been paved. I would want you to join me on the journey as I walk you through the road we have paved all the way to the farmland and of course other projects that are going to be coming up very soon because Sementia Learning and Development Farm is going to be established right here. So if you are new, please stay tuned. If you're already considering venturing into livestock farming, to be specific, goat farming, this is the right time for you because Fred is going to take you on a journey like no other, like never before, right from the beginning to the very logical end. So guys, stay tuned, follow me as I take you to our new farmland right here at home. And oh yes, we've done our homework, be rest assured. See you soon. Welcome to the new Sementia Learning and Development Farm. Yes, I said farm because in the next few months, you are going to see massive transformation on this piece of land. I'm standing on an admittedly smaller land size than where we were before because that place was 6 acres and here we have just about 4 acres of land. But you know what? We are going to establish a model learning and development farm and we are going to take you on that journey with us Right from, as you are seeing, the land is being cleared to when structures are put in place over here. I'm excited for you to join us because you've known us to inspire people all over the world, from the Philippines to Jamaica to Eastern Africa, to Southern Africa, right here to West Africa. We've inspired farmers all over the world to venture into livestock farming, specifically goat farming. So guys, we just didn't shut down. We didn't get shut down. We bounced back and we are in for a show. Talk about resilience. On this expanse of land, in a few months to come, you would pay us a visit and you would see various facilities and structures put up because, like I told you, it is going to be a model farm. So, in a few months to come, you would come here and you would see structures such as the lab, because we have a lot coming your way. So, we'd have a lab, and because we produce our own feed, there would be a feed process somewhere here. There is going to be, of course, a staff house. There is going to be a grazing yard for the animals. We would have a storehouse and many other facilities that we believe, when put up here, would enhance all the processes that are going to be taking place here. The last thing I would add to it is, watch out when this is complete for a sales yard. Yes, you heard me right, a sales yard. I wouldn't want to give you much more details about that. That is why I am imploring you to please be on this journey with us. We are literally starting a new learning and development model farm right from scratch, and you get to be a part of that journey. For those who are wondering, does it take a lot to go into livestock farming? What do I need to go into goat farming? Guys, there couldn't be any righter time than now. Please subscribe to the channel once again. If you've already subscribed, please hit the notification button and go on this journey with us. If there is one thing you've known us for all these years, it is our honesty with you, our openness, our vulnerability. We've shared our truths with you. We've shared our happy moments, our hardships, our difficulties throughout this livestock farming journey. And so, as I promised to start and go through this journey with you, we have been able to purchase the land. But there is a lot more that goes into putting up all of the structures I mentioned. Putting up even something as basic as the goat pen for the animals. And so we come to you, our family, to help us in putting up all of these structures. I know you want us to go back into operation as soon as possible. And when this whole incident started and unfolded, most of you showed love, you showed solidarity. Some of you offered lands, you offered money, you offered various forms of help, and for that, Sementia Farm is very grateful. So, to make it easier for all of you, and to also help you to be able to be part of this journey, we've created a link. It's right there on the screen. Kindly click on that link and donate to help this project. If this project is able to come into fruition in the next few months, you would be seeing us right here on the land, bringing you what we do best. So please, once again, the link is right there on your screen. Kindly copy this link, click on it, donate any amount at all. Yes, we've been able to buy the land. We are so excited about it. But there is a lot more that goes into this, into raising up this whole model farm I've been proudly telling you about since the day started. So please and please again, copy the link right there, click on it, donate any amount you can. It can help us generate electricity here. It can help us generate our own source of water. It can help us put up all of these structures I mentioned earlier. And so, our online family, we are solidly counting on the help and support you've shown all this while till now. Thank you in advance for contributing to help this project become a reality. Thank you again.